Hello everyone, there are so many places in the world to visit for vacation, relaxation, sightseeing, or just for fun. But there are some places in the world that you cannot visit or you are not allowed to visit for a good reason. In this video, we are going to see 6 places that you cannot visit even if you want. Before starting the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment that I subscribe and we will personally reply to your comment. Number 6. Surtsey, Iceland. This beautiful island is very young. It appeared in 1963 after the volcanic eruption and caused this island to form. Today, no one is allowed to go near this island and is one of only landmarks untouched by humans. Scientists are allowed to visit the island to study but must clean up thoroughly after themselves. They sleep in a tiny cabin or a bunker bed in an effort to ensure minimum impact on the land. Number 5. Bohemian Groves, San Francisco. Probably the most unsettling and bizarre gathering in America is that of Bohemian Groves. What sets this allied group apart from the rest of the cult-like gatherings is that attendees are the richest and the most powerful men in the America. To enter the club, you must pay $25,000 after being on 15 years long waiting list. Then each year you maintain your membership by paying $5,000. You must also have an Ivy League college education. Members have included George H.W. Bush, Clint Eastwood and Richard Nixon. To make the long story short, this brotherhood involves a variety of groups within the Bohemian Grove that all have different roles. In addition to this, activities such as practicing rituals, reminiscence, and the occult and dressing up the drag queen costume have been caught on camera throughout the years. Only 2 individuals have witnessed this gathering. Alex Jones, a far right-wing radio show host and a filmmaker, snuck onto the premise and actually caught the bizarre rituals on camera. Alex Shomanoff, a writer for Vanity Fair, was on the premise for approximately 4 hours before being arrested. Number 4. Svalbard Global Seed Vault, Norway. Created to stand the test of time, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault contains 8,64,309 samples of seeds from around the world. These seeds are protected from any disaster, man-made or natural, to provide an opportunity to rebuild any possible disaster in future. It is located on the island called Svalbard in Iceland, where very few people even have the keys to the building. Only a selected few are able to go inside on the day when they are accepting new seats. Number 3. North Sentinel Island, Andaman. A fascinating island located in Bay of Bengal contains one of the most untouched type in the world. This beautiful tropical island is surrounded by large coral reef that will wreck any boat that approaches. If you make it happen to pass the coral reef, just know that the tribe waiting for you is considered one of the dangerous tribe and you will most likely be killed. In early 2000, 2 fishermen get a little lost out when they're fishing and landed upon the shore of the North Sentinel Island. They were discovered by the tribe and then killed. India has tried countless times to create a relationship with this group of people to no avail. Currently, you are not allowed to go within the 3-mile radius of this island due to obviously safety concerns. Number 2. Area 51, Nevada. If you don't know what Area 51 is, you have some googling to do. Area 51 is a government facility that conducts tests on, well, we aren't sure what. In the past, it was used to test certain aircrafts, which is what many people are misunderstood as seeing alien saucers flying through the sky. But this is what, years ago. So what happens now? We can only guess what is going on. But this area was not officially acknowledged by the government to exist until 2013. Number 1. Snake Island, Brazil. Located off coast of Brazil, Snake Island contains golden lion's-head viper. These snakes have venom that can melt human skin and kill extremely quickly. The Brazilian government has forbidden any travelers from stepping onto this island as it is predicted that there are around 4,000 snakes, which equates to 1 snake per square meter. This location is definitely a nightmare concept for many. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button.